To the whole Southern Wind team is a massive thank you for how quickly you reacted to this emergency and how much you've given us and the support you've given us to help me get out there as quickly as possible and finish my adventure. It's a contribution that goes way beyond sailing and way beyond the Vendée Globe, and we'll remember that. You're now part of our Initiatives-Coeur family. Initiatives-Coeur is an amazing project I'm really proud to be part of. So I race top level racing in France and the Vendée Globe, which is the race of this project. And every race I do, I'm raising money for a charity in France called Mécénat Chirurgie Cardiaque. This charity saves young kids' lives who are born in countries where there's not enough equipment to fix their heart defects. They get brought to France so that they can get their surgery that's going to save their life. Whenever I do the major race of the season, we start this operation called One Click, One Heart. And the sponsors give the money in exchange for new followers on our social media. Every time we get a new follower, the sponsors give €1 to the charity. And every time we raise 12,000 euros, that's how much it costs to save one kid's life. So I know that I've got to race, and I've got to race fast, do well, and I've also, I know that I've got to send lots of videos back and share my adventure, because the better I do that, the more people will follow and the more people will stay on our social media.
I know you had a bit of a mishap passing the Cape of Good Hope. Can you tell us what happened?
I was in the Southern Ocean, so I think I was around 42 degrees south. It was difficult sea states, so the boat's speed was changing. I was going pretty fast at the time and I hit something and the boat stopped dead. I went flying, my dinner went flying. I hit my ribs in a bulkhead, but the worst thing was just this massive cracking sound and the boat stopping dead, and I knew that I had a major problem. So then my team went into action to check with the designers and the engineers with the damage report that I'd given them, that the boat was going to be safe for me to take slowly to Cape Town.
So how did you hear about Southern Wind when you arrived here?
I have some old friends here who obviously I contacted straight away, and they have put us and my team in touch with a lot of people, and especially Southern Wind Shipyard. We needed to rebuild the bulkheads that were broken because they were completely destroyed, and there are pieces that could actually be made whilst I was on my way into Cape Town to minimise my stopover time. And so yeah, we discovered this amazing shipyard. Came in, there was a magnificent 110-footer here as well when we arrived. And when you see that, you're like, okay, I think we've got the right people here on the job. This is my keel. It's 4.5 meters long, where you can see the damaged area. It's already been fixed. It's nearly, the repair is nearly finished. The worst damage is inside the boat, around the structure where this keel is fixed into the boat. So this is the living area of the boat. So the damage is forward of this bulkhead. The guys have been working night and day. They're all the broken bits out, and the new panels are being taped back into place. But it's really positive because I can see my boat being rebuilt, probably stronger than ever. It's great to see the work go so quickly. I'm really happy with how this is going on. I think my enthusiasm to carry on is contagious. When you fall off the boat, you've got to get it back on as quickly as possible. And for me, that's important to finish this trip. But it's also important for the charity I support to save the kids. But I'm going to remember all these people that have been helping, and Southern Wind, and everything that people have given us to help me get back out there, and that's gonna help me get through the difficult days as I leave Cape Town and turn left.